Yeah, because at the break, when it's break time, everyone's gonna be out there. Let's go. Wait, you gotta bring your stuff.
Let's go, Mom.
We'll be back. We'll be back. Yeah.
I know. I'm scared. I'm scared to show my face. I don't show my face anymore.
What the heck? What are you talking about?
I don't show my face. What? No, I'm not. But I'm recording you. Got the backpack right. Bro, I made a wet up. But whenever we have to do something, can we come to this wall right here? To like. No. What? No, do you? I don't like that song. Pizza? Kinda. Kinda. Double chum chocolate cookie. Oh no, my phone! My phone. It's warm down there. Inside my sweater is warm. Do I need help? No, I don't. Indeed, don't. Double chum chocolate cookie. Double chum chocolate cookie. I had to pull up my phone back again. I'm trying to get foil. Are you down to get some merch? Bro, did you know what I just heard? I just heard some little kid say, "You suck, Firebirds." Oh, I dropped my phone again. I keep dropping my phone. What? Yeah, we already knew that. Wait a minute. Kid. Stop it. No, that'd be cool. No, man. What? I already know they have pizza butts outside. Wait, no. Yes. Oh, dang it, no. Never mind. Let's go. Firebirds little, Firebirds and others little, Firebirds. No, it's just the top. I looked at the thing. It said, if you have pizza, it said, pizza, throw it away like somewhere in the trash. What? I don't know, but they have cotton candy. And that smells good. Should we get cotton candy? No, look, compost. There's pizza right there. Hurrah! Are you down to get one? Dang it. Go. Oh no, I want pizza. Okay. Let's go Firebrush. Let's go Firebrush.
Have you guys used the system before? Okay, so there's a $25 deposit fee that is refunded back to you. Once you tap here, you see the green check mark. How many of you guys are coming in? 2?
Yes.
Okay, you guys can come right in through here. So then you grab what you want, pass in the last 3 cameras, she's going to charge your card accordingly.
And then the receipt will be in.
The receipt, if you scan the QR that's right there, follow the directions and it'll give you the receipt.
So if I want to get the hot dog, it's only going to charge me the hot dog.
It's going to charge you $25 plus the hot dog.
And then I will get
And then the $25 is refunded back to you depending on the bank. It can be tonight, it can be tomorrow.
But I will get it back.
The $25 is refunded back to you.
Is that different?
Okay, you can go right inside.
Can I enter?
Yes.
Okay. That's hot dog. The last hot dog?
Do you already have your drink?
I already have a drink. What do we do now?
Look at my nachos.
I got you.
Do you want to see ketchup? Want ketchup on your hot dog?
Oh yeah, I love ketchup on my hot dog. Oh, ketchup's here. Oh, I think it's... Wait, I don't know if we have to get like a little cup. What's this? Oh, this is a fork. We don't need this. Oh, I'm gonna get some napkins. I got myself some...
Nachos, I guess. I mean nachos. Want a bite?
I love it.
You want a bite
I
now?
love that. I'm waiting for the game. Mom, Buzzbox. Why?
No, I don't need no more alcohol.
No. You drank beer. And stay together. Okay. Stay together. You're right about it being so crowded. It's so crowded, I think I don't even know how to... I can barely see the cotton candy area. Are you down to get some? Are you not? Are you down to get some cotton candy?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a YouTube video. No, Mom. Mr. Beastie. Mr. Beastie. Mr. Beastie. Alright, so what are we doing? Total jackpot, $1,692. Mr. Beastie's awesome. Whoa, Mr. Beastie's
Everybody say,
this, and this, and give me this. If it's a chili dog, I'd still be happy.